It is time for a Sunday reset. That is really good. I'm so cold, my hands. Hey guys, it's Lily Bakes here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing my first proper vlog of 2024. And in this video, I'm doing my first ever Sunday reset. So make sure you stay tuned for that to find out what I get up to on my Sundays. So very productive. But before we get started with this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Let's go! It is time for a Sunday reset. So on a Sunday, I like to prepare myself for the week. So I have the whole day just chilling and being really productive and getting as much done as I can in preparation for the week ahead. So the first thing I need to do, since I've just woke up, it's 9 o'clock. I gave myself a bit of a lay-in this morning. I need to do my skincare, which I am trying to do 2024 in the morning and in the evening. For my skincare, I use the niacinamide 10% ordinary serum, the natural moisturising factors ordinary moisturiser, multi-peptide lash and brow serum, which I use on my lashes. Some of the things that I want to get done today is I need to clean my room, because another thing I'm doing in 2024 is at least 15 minutes every day of cleaning my room, but I'm going to do a proper clean today just to get me prepared for the week. And I also want to go for a walk. I'm trying to stay a bit fitter this year. On top of my lashes here, and just go across whole lashes. This is my go-to skincare routine, by the way. Honestly, this product is amazing. If you haven't got it, get it. Now my skincare is done, I need to brush my hair because I haven't brushed it yet this morning. And then I need to get up, open my blinds and make my bed. Then I can go down and have some breakfast. I'm also trying to eat healthier as well, so I'm thinking maybe I might have a smoothie this morning. So I'm going to have a mango and banana smoothie, and then I'm also trying to drink like as many as I can of these a day. So I'm going to fill this up as well. This is my favourite cup ever, by the way. It helps me drink so much water. It's now time to make my smoothie because I'm really hungry. Seeds of choice today: chia seeds, black seeds and milled linseeds. It's ready to be blended. Whilst I've been drinking my smoothie, which is there, which I've now finished, I have been doing a little bit of editing and looking through my TikTok to see what is next for you guys for this week to do. But I now need to get up and get ready because I need to clean my room. That is the next thing, and I'm going to properly clean my room because it is in such desperate need of it. I picked up this tracksuit because it's absolutely freezing outside, and I'm freezing right now. Like, I cannot wait to get changed because I'm so cold. It is freezing at the minute, and I'm going for a walk, so I thought I might as well just wear something comfortable and warm. And I'm going to be putting my new long coat on because it's going to be freezing outside. Anyways, I'm going to get changed now and then I'll be back with you. Tracksuit is on, and now I need to get through my room because I have a big pile of clothes down here, and then I also have, mum, look away here, all them books and that down there from my GCSEs, which was like last year. It's finally all done and it looks so much better now. Everything is gone. The room is all clean and tidy now, and now I'm gonna have some lunch. I'd also like to point out the fact that it's now 1 o'clock and it has taken me so long to do all my room, but it's finally done and I'm very happy with how it turned out. So for lunch, I have found some stuff in the freezer, right? And it's a bit of a weird thing, but we've got some rice, some chicken breast fillet strips, some mixed peppers. So I thought I'd make kind of like an egg fried rice. I've got some onion, garlic and soy sauce, and then have like chicken in it as well and like some vegetables. I don't know how it would turn out, but you have to wait and see. And the egg, of course, which I actually forgot. Well, it was just sitting there, but I forgot to show you it. Guys, look at this. Look how good this looks. Honestly, it might not look that good to you, but to me that looks so good. Let's give this a taste test. I did try a bit of the rice just to make sure it was all right, like before I obviously played it up. But let's try it with the chicken. That is really good. I'm so proud of myself. That is so good. Next thing that I'm going to do is go for a walk, but I wanted to show you what I made yesterday. I did some baking and I'm very pleased with how they turned out. So have a look at what I made. I made some red velvet cookies. I'll open one up to show you. They're so thick and look at all that chocolate in there. And then I also made, which I'm very pleased about, is marshmallows. Like I actually made marshmallows. Look at them. They're so squishy and soft. And they look just like marshmallows. Made some heart-shaped ones as well for Valentine's Day. So I'm very, very happy with how they turned out. Like, look how squishy that is. It's like an actual marshmallow. Now it's time to take the dog on a walk. And he's very excited. It is his second walk of the day. Don't even know where he is. Oh, I just put his coat on. Doesn't usually get 2 walks in a day, so he is very, very excited. Go walkies! Good boy, we go now. It's freezing. My hands are so cold. Look at the view. This is your sign. If you haven't been for a walk today already, go for a walk because it's lovely to get fresh air. I'm so cold, my hands. I'm going to put my phone down in my pocket because my pockets are fluffy. It's got that cold that I've had to put my hoods up because my ears are freezing. My coat's done up now, mostly, with the dog. We're going up a hill now. Little update for everyone. So it's been about an hour since I've been home and I've just been doing bits around the house and that. And we have no heating. Our heating is completely gone. Our pipes have frozen, so there is a heater there. And I had to go and get a heated blanket from my boyfriend's house so I can basically sleep tonight because it's going to be freezing. It's like -4, -5. So it's probably going to be colder than when I was on a walk earlier. I'm not excited for the sleep. But this day has gone so quickly. It's already 6:30 and I've had my dinner. But soon I'm going to get in the shower. I'm going to have an everything shower because I'm so in need of one. And it just sets my week ahead so perfectly. So that is what I'm going to be doing soon. And I will show you guys what products I use. I'm about to get in the shower. I've got my little box. I don't obviously use all of this, but this is the stuff from the shower. I'm going to show you what I use on my hair. So the first thing that I'll do is I'll use the Caremess Moisture Repair Shampoo. The second thing I use is the Fanola No Yellow Care shampoo. It's purple shampoo. It's a very good purple shampoo. The Caremess Moisture Repair Conditioner. With the conditioner, I'll then use the scalp massager just to massage my hair. That is what I'm going to be using in the shower. I'll be back once I've had a shower. I've had a clear up. Bubbles has found a new place to lay. He's gone and taken himself behind the chair. Bubbles! Keep wagging his tail. Bubbles! Oh, he comes. Hello. I'm out the shower now and I'm in my pyjamas. I put my long sleeve pyjamas on because I'm really cold. But I'm going to use the Caremess Conscious Style Cleansing Mist in my hair. And then I'm just going to let it air dry. I have to section my hair because I have to spray it into my roots. I just brush my hair out so it's less knotty because it's very knotty when it's wet and when I just got out the shower. Now that it's done, I just brush it through all my hair. I'm going to do my skincare again. I'm just going to do the same as what I did this morning. Which is the serum, the moisturiser and the lash serum. Then I'm going to get into bed and organise and plan for my week ahead, and then that is it. I'm going to go to sleep, get an early night tonight, because I'm very tired. I have just finished scheduling out my week ahead, and I'm going to go to sleep very soon. I'm going to watch some Netflix for a bit, and then I'm going to go to sleep because I want to get an early night, like I said. So, good night everyone, and also that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!